Good PM ngayon po ay Sunday, February 2, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, February 2, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, February 2, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Sunday, February 2, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for February 2, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Sunday, February 2, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.